Hey, what's up YouTube? This is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you what I've learned about import range and how I use it for my custom stock scanner. Okay, before we dive in, let's understand what input do you need for import range. I'm talking about Google Sheets here. So basically, it imports a range of cells from a specific spreadsheet. Spreadsheet, that means it can be another Google Sheet located in your Google Drive. It doesn't have to be the current spreadsheet that you're using, but it would be better and it would hasten the speed in which the data is being extracted if, let's say, it is on the same worksheet within the tabs itself instead of another worksheet. What I mean by that, let's dive in. Okay, so what we can see here is import range requires the URL and requires the range string. So basically, this is where the columns and the rows kicks in, and this is where the direction of where import range are supposed to pull the data from. In order to save time and to not slow down the stock scanner, I use it on using the same spreadsheet. You can use it on a different spreadsheet. You can pull the data in without having to open and view the data for it to work. So right now I have a list of top scanners that I've captured from yesterday, Friday. Okay, so how do we use import range from here? So we take note of the tab, the name of the sheet that we are using right now, live import, and we take note of the columns that you want to pull. So we're looking at column A to column B, and how far down are we supposed to look at? All the way to row 64. Okay, so right now we have the URL, which is this. You can ignore the last one, and it does us nothing. Okay, because I've used it on the same worksheet. Okay, ignore this because this is a custom stock scanner that I've used it. So let's dive into this. So as you can see, import range is not the URL that I key in. There's actually two ways you can do this. We can start with the URL, which is the website. Okay, let's clear this. I'll copy and paste. And I'll do a paste here. Use the HTTPS. Okay, and we remove the slash. Okay, right now we're looking at the range. You can do this by going here and click all the way down. Okay. Okay, there's an import internal error because Google Sheet doesn't understand this. You have to change it into a text, which we can easily use by going delete this. Okay, let's see if it works. Okay, we are back. It works. So basically, the first column, the first row, is it the same ticker? Yes, it is. CRIS. Okay, so this is how you use import range. Another way that you can use the URL without using the HTTP, because any extra sentence on your code will slow down the speed at which the data was being pulled. So all you can do is just ignore the first HTTPS with the Google Doc and just take the funny letter here, which is this. Okay, and if nothing goes wrong, it should work the same way. Yes, the data pull out is still the same. Second column, second row, LHDS. Okay, so now you understand how to use import range in Google Sheets. If you like what you watch in this video, please do subscribe, and if you want to be informed for more videos like this, please hit the notification bell. So far, this scanners has been a hit and miss, because I'm trying to understand how I can use all this historical data to my advantage, but I found that I have very low gratification, whereby I want to take action as soon as possible. So what this import range does is import directly to the custom scanner that I pull the data from, the website that I pull the data from, and use it here. So basically it will broadcast the tickers that has a percentage change on my custom stock scanner. If I have actually two data. One is the live one, where the website will push the data out and my Google Sheet will pull in what is captured for the day, whereas this and this pulls the historical data that I had for a day before, where they achieve 1 day in advance the high. It's a hit and miss currently. So when I manage to get consistent profits from using my custom stock scanner, I'll be making it readily available for you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.